Listen me know, under the island sky, where the ocean meets the sand, there is a feeling only true love can understand. Beneath the golden island sky, we found a love that feels so right, like the waves that kiss the shore. My heart keeps wanting more and more. Your smile shines brighter than the sun. A beautiful journey has begun. Every moment spent with you feels like a dream coming true. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is floating through the trees. Every heartbeat softly says, you are my sunshine through my day. So Jah, me give you thanks above for this blessing called love. Every feeling, every sign shows your heart belongs with mine. The feeling beneath the island sky is the love I see inside your eyes, like the ocean shining bright. You bring peace into my life. The feeling beneath the island sky makes my soul feel alive. Every sunrise, every sea, you are everything to me. Oh baby, stay with me forever. Walking with you by the shore, me keep loving you more and more. The sound of waves, the island breeze brings sweet memories with ease. Every whisper, every touch shows me love can mean so much. Your gentle heart, your loving way brings happiness into my day. Me don't need riches or gold, your love is the treasure I hold. 'Cause paradise is not a place, it's the beauty in your embrace. Hold me closer, stay right here, through every season, every year. Heart to heart, side by side, with your love I feel alive. The feeling beneath the island sky is the love I see inside your eyes, like the ocean shining bright. You bring peace into my life. The feeling beneath the island sky makes my soul feel alive. Every sunrise, every sea, you are everything to me. Listen me now, some people search the world around for a love that can't be found, but Jah bless me with a heart that was written from the start. Like a flower beneath the sun, our forever has begun. Every day and every night, your love keeps shining bright. When the moon appears above, I feel the power of our love. No distance and no tide could ever take you from my side. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is growing through the trees, under the sky so blue and white. Forever with you by my side. When the years have passed us by, I'll still see the love in your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, remembering how blessed we are. Every morning, every day, I will choose you all the way. Forever faithful, forever true. My island dream begins with you. The feeling beneath the island sky is the love that will never die, like the waves that touch the shore. I'll keep loving you more and more. The feeling beneath the island sky will forever places are beautiful, but the most beautiful place is where love lives, inside two hearts. Listen, me know every smile, every tear, every heartbeat, every feeling inside always leads me back to you. From the moment you entered my life, you brought peace into my nights, like the sunshine after rain. You washed away my pain. Every laugh and every smile makes this journey worthwhile. Every dream and every prayer shows me how much you care. Like the ocean meets the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Every feeling that I knew always leads me back to you. Oh, Jah, me give thanks today for sending love my way. Every emotion, every sign brings your heart closer to mine. Every emotion leads me to you. Every feeling tells me love is true. Like the waves beneath the sky, our love will never say goodbye. Every emotion leads me home. With you I never feel alone. Every heartbeat, every dream shows me what true love means. Oh baby, my heart knows where to go. Walking with you by the sea feels like where we're meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. When you hold me close at night, everything feels warm and right. Every whisper, every kiss reminds me of a love like this. Me don't need a perfect place. Paradise is your embrace. Cause wherever you are near is where my heart wants to be. Here, stay beside me, hold my hand. Together we will always stand. Through every season, through every time, your heart will always be with mine. Every emotion leads me to you. Every feeling tells me love is true. Like the waves beneath the sky, our love will never say goodbye. Every emotion leads me home. With you I never feel alone. Every heartbeat, every dream shows me what true love means. Listen, me know some people search a lifetime through for a love that feels so true. But Jah bless me on the day when He sent you my way. Your kindness is my sweetest song. In your arms is where I belong. Every moment that we share shows me love is always there. Like a flower reaching for the sun, a beautiful love has begun. Every season, every year, I will always keep you near. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is dancing through the trees. Every heartbeat, every flame keeps calling your sweet name. No matter where this life may go, my heart will always follows every emotion straight to you. Listen, me know some names are just words, but your name lives inside my heart. Every heartbeat, every moment whispers only you. From the day you came into my life, you brought peace into my nights. Like the moonlight on the sea, you shine so beautifully. Every smile you give to me feels like sweet serenity. Every touch and every kiss shows me what true loving is. When the world feels cold and gray, you bring sunshine to my day. Every dream I hold inside has your love right by my side. Oh, Jah, me give thanks above for this precious kind of love. Every heartbeat, every sign says your heart belongs with mine. My heart whispers your name. Nothing will ever be the same. Like the waves that kiss the shore, we keep loving you more and more. Oh, my heart whispers your name. A love that burns like a flame. Every sunrise, every night, you are my love, my guiding light. Oh, baby, can you hear my heart calling? Walking with you by the sea feels like where we want to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Every word you softly say takes my worries far away. Every moment close to you feels like a dream coming true. We don't need diamonds or gold, your love is the treasure I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I have found is your arms always around. Stay beside me, hold me near, through every season, every year. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your love has made my spirit whole. My heart whispers your name. Nothing will ever be the same. Like the waves that kiss the shore, we keep loving you more and more. Oh, my heart whispers your name. A love that burns like a flame. Every sunrise, every night, you are my love, my guiding light. Yeah, listen now, some people search their whole life through for a love that feels so true. But Jah blessed me on the day when He sent you my way. Your laughter is my sweetest song. In your arms is where I belong. Like a flower beneath the sun, our forever has begun. Every star up in the sky knows this love will never die. Every moon that shines above tells a story of our love. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is dancing through the trees. Under moonlight, ocean wide, forever with you by my side. No distance, no time could ever change the love that lives inside my heart. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will pray, Jah voices are heard by the ears, but true love is whispered by the heart, and mine will always whisper your name. Listen me now. Some places bring comfort, some moments bring joy, but true love brings peace. And every time you hold me, I feel like I am home. Before you came into my life, I carried worries through the night, searching for a place to rest, looking for the feeling of happiness. Then you came like morning light, turning darkness into bright. With your gentle heart and care, we found my answer standing there. Every touch and every smile makes the journey worthwhile. Every moment close to you feels like a dream coming true. Like the waves that calm the sea, you bring quiet peace to me. In your love I finally see the place my heart was meant to be. Oh Jah, we give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every heartbeat, every breath brings me closer to happiness. The peace I feel in your arms, oh, protects me from the world's storms. Like a shelter from the rain, you take away my pain. The peace I feel in your arms, it feels like a beautiful charm. Every sunrise, every night, you are my comfort and my light. Oh baby, keep holding me forever. Walking with you by the shore, but don't need anything more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. When you whisper my name so sweet, my heart finds its perfect beat. Every word and every kiss shows me what true love is. They don't need a perfect word or treasures made of gold and pearls, 'cause the greatest gift I know is the love you always show. Stay beside me, hold me tight, be my morning, be my night. Through every season, through every year, your loving arms will keep me near. The peace I feel in your arms, oh, protects me from the world's storms. Like a shelter from the rain, you take away my pain. The peace I feel in your arms, feels like a beautiful charm. Every sunrise, every night, you are my comfort and my light. Listen me now, some people chase the word around, looking for where love can be found. But Jah blessed me with a heart that was waiting from the start. Your love is like a gentle breeze, bringing calm like island seas. Every day I spend with you shows me love can still be true. When the moon shines over us and the stars begin to glow, we know this love we share is the greatest thing I know. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze, love is resting through the trees. Heart to heart, side by side, your sweet love is my guide. No fear, no pain, no pain, no pain. Only sunshine after rain. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the sky, with the same love that never dies. Every morning I will pray Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever faithful, forever true. My safest place will always be you. The peace I feel in your arms is the love that keeps me warm. Through the sunshine and the rain, I will choose you once again. The peace I feel in your arms keeps me safe from every harm. Through every season, every year, I will always keep you near. The peace, the love, the feeling so true. I found my home inside of you. Yeah. Some hearts find a place, some hearts find a person, but my heart found peace in your arms. Yeah. Listen me now. Some people search the whole world looking for a place called paradise, but sometimes paradise is not a place, it's a feeling found in true love. From the moment you came my way, you brought sunshine to my day. Like the ocean touching the sand, we found heaven in your hand. Every smile you give to me feels like a tropical breeze. Every whisper, every kiss shows me what true happiness is. Like a flower beneath the sun, a beautiful love has begun. Every heartbeat, every dream feels like paradise to me. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for blessing me with love. Every moment, every day you bring peace in every way. I love feeling like paradise, shining bright like the morning sunrise. Like the waves beneath the sky, you bring magic into my life. I love feeling like paradise, ooh, precious than 1,000 skies. Every sunrise, every night, you make my whole world feel so right. Oh baby, you are my paradise. Walking with you by the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. When you hold me close and near, all my worries disappear. In your arms I find my peace, a place where my heart can breathe. Me don't need diamonds or gold, your love in a heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure I see is the love you give to me. Stay beside me, hold my hand, together we will always stand. Through every season, through every tide, I want you forever by my side. I love feeling like paradise, shining bright like the morning sunrise. Like the waves beneath the sky, you bring magic into my life. I love feeling like paradise, ooh, more precious than 1,000 skies. Every sunrise, every night, you make my whole world feel so right. Listen me now. Some hearts wander searching far, looking for their brightest star. But Jah knew exactly what to do when He sent me here to you. Your love is like an island dream, beautiful as the ocean stream. Your kindness and your gentle way make me love you every day. Every sunset paints the view with colors made stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever faithful, forever true. My paradise will always be you. A love feeling like paradise, a dream that came alive before my eyes. Like the ocean meets the shore, I will love you more and more. A love feeling like paradise, forever shining through our lives. Through every season, every year, I promise I'll always keep you near. Forever, forever. My heart found paradise when it found you. Paradise is not only a place, sometimes it's a person, a feeling, a love, and mine is you. Ooh, listen me now. Some moments come and go, but some feelings are the beginning of forever. And the moment me found you, me knew something beautiful had started. From the first time you looked my way, me felt a love I can't explain. Like the sunrise over the sea, you brought a new life into me. Every smile you give my heart feels like a brand new start. Every touch and every kiss shows me what true loving is. Like a flower opening wide, you brought beauty to my life. Every dream I held before now feels like it means much more. Oh Jah, me give thanks today for sending love my way. Every heartbeat, every sign says forever starts with mine. Forever starts with this feeling, a love so pure and so revealing. Like the ocean meets the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Forever starts with this feeling, a blessing my heart keeps believing. Every sunrise, every night, you are my love, my guiding light. Oh baby, this feeling is forever. Walking with you by the sea feels like where we're meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. When you hold me close and near, all my doubts disappear. Every whisper, every word is the sweetest thing we heard. Me don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what me hold. Cause the greatest gift I know is the love you always show. Stay beside me, hold my hand, together we will always stand. Through every season, through every year, your love will always keep me near. Forever starts with this feeling, a love so pure and so revealing. Like the ocean meets the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Forever starts with this feeling, a blessing my heart keeps believing. Every sunrise, every night, you are my love, my guiding light. Listen me now, some people spend their whole life searching for a love that feels worth keeping. But Jah bless me on the day when He sent you my way. Your laughter is my favorite song, in your arms is where I belong. Every moment that we share shows me true love is always there. Like the moon that lights the night, your love makes blessed we are. Every morning I will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever faithful, forever true, my forever will always be you. Forever starts with this feeling, a love that keeps my heart believing. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose you again and again. Forever starts with this feeling, a love that time cannot be stealing. Through every season, every year, a promise I'll always keep you near. Forever, forever, it all began with this feeling. You and me, one heart, one love. Yeah. Some love begins with a moment, some love begins with a smile, but true love begins with a feeling that lasts forever.